Hey there, tech lover. Welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe our channel. Today, we're excited to showcase the Oppo Reno 12 Pro, a device that's all set to make a splash in the smartphone market. Let's get into the details and see what it's all about. Design and aesthetics. The Oppo Reno 12 Pro doesn't just look good, it feels good. With a slim profile and a weight that's just right, it's designed for comfort and style. The quad-curved display not only adds to the visual appeal, but also provides an immersive viewing experience. Display and visual experience. Speaking of the display, the Reno 12 Pro features a 6.7-inch AMOLED screen that's bright, colorful, and responsive. With a 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10+ support, every scroll, tap, and swipe is a delight. Performance and efficiency. Powering this beauty is the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 chipset, ensuring smooth performance whether you're gaming or multitasking. And with 12 GB of RAM, this phone can keep up with even the most demanding users. Camera capabilities. The camera setup on the Reno 12 Pro is impressive, with a 50MP main sensor that captures stunning photos with ease. The additional lenses, including a telephoto and an ultra-wide, offer versatility for all your photography adventures. Battery and charging. With a 5000 mAh battery, the Reno 12 Pro is built to last. And when you do need to charge, the 80 watts fast charging means you won't be tethered to an outlet for long. Software and user experience. Running on Android 14 with ColorOS 14.1, the Reno 12 Pro offers a user experience that's both intuitive and feature-rich. It's a seamless interface that complements the hardware perfectly. The Oppo Reno 12 Pro is a well-rounded device that ticks a lot of boxes. From its stunning display to its robust performance, it's a phone that deserves attention. But as always, we'll leave the final decision up to you. Thank you for tuning into our review of the Oppo Reno 12 Pro. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech reviews. Until next time, stay savvy and keep loving tech.